Are you looking to become a public figure on Instagram? Well, it's not as difficult as you might think. In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile settings to make yourself a public figure on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Settings. So now what you want to do next is tap on Account, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Switch to Professional Account. So in order to be a public figure on Instagram, you need a professional account. One downside of switching to a professional account is that if you have a private account, this will make your account public. Simply tap on Continue for all of these things. And now tap on the search bar over here and search for Public Figure. And then go ahead and tap on that. And then toggle this on, Display on Profile. After that, tap on Done at the bottom center of the screen. And then it will take a couple of seconds to do its thing. Once that's done, select Creator and then tap Next. And then let's exit out of this. And boom. Now I'm a public figure on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.